Whoa. Daddy and his son. Hold on, move your hand little, let me see his spoon. Yes, man. Yeah, man, with the golden spoon. Jaja. I eat, man. What said to me? Yeah. What are going on with you, sir? What are going on, sir? What go on here, sir? What go on here, sir? Watch out, fully active. Yeah, daddy for them, man. Hold on. Watch out.
Everybody there, man. Everybody there.
We say therapeutic.
Everybody there, man. See it, yeah.
How you said to me? Unk.
7 grand.
Oh, you don't know, punk. How much you say?
7 grand negotiable, man.
$7,000 few much?
One of them.
One and the pair of one now. Because I never got maths class.
14 right there, man. Negotiable, man.
Alright, see them people. So you grow them from there little, though?
Oh, yes, I.
For real.
Yes, I. My brother.
Watch out, boy. But you look like them can't fly, man. I get serious, man. You look like them will fly away, man.
Boss, man, feeding, you know? So them things are feeding.
For real. See them people.
Everybody want feed.
If you want, if you want prosperity, see.
Because anything I feed me, I feed them, you see?
Oh, for real.
We have a feed, man.
You feed, you know. Alright.